Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, east central Columbia County, and east central New York until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Philmont, or near Chatham, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Great Barrington, Chatham, Lee, Lenox, Beckett, Austerlitz, Otis, Philmont, Housatonic, Ghent, Stockbridge, Richmond, West Stockbridge, Monterey, Washington, Alfred, Tyringham, Glendale, North Hillsdale, and Williamsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Columbia, New York.
In downtown Worcester, whether it's Polo Park.
Okay, Jacob, it's done.
Okay, it's gone.